Okay, be honest with me. How many of you have ever just completely missed your alarm? You open your eyes, look at the clock, and panic. You have 20 minutes to do everything. That was me today. My whole morning routine was a disaster. But you know what? It made me think. We should learn how to talk about our daily routines in English. Good days and bad days. So stay with us because by the end of this, you'll be able to describe your perfect day or your crazy day in English. Let's get into it.
Hey everyone, thanks for listening to our videos. You're listening to Mr. Englishman. I'm Max, and with me here is the always amazing Lily.
Amazing is a strong word for someone who almost left the house with two different shoes on this morning.
See? This is perfect. A daily routine isn't just, I wake up, I am perfect. It's real life. And talking about your day is one of the most useful things you can do in English. It helps you make small talk, tell stories, just connect with people.
Exactly. So today we're going to break it down step by step, from morning to night. We'll use simple words, simple sentences, perfect for beginners. And we want you to practice with us. Say the sentences out loud. It's just you and your phone or computer. No one can hear you, so be brave.
Absolutely. Let's start with the foundation. To talk about routines, habits, things we do every day or usually do, we use the present simple tense. Sounds fancy, but it's simple. We just use the basic form of the verb for I, you, we, they. For example, I wake up. You have breakfast. We go to work.
Right. No ing, no complicated endings for these subjects, just the verb. I eat. You drink. They sleep. Easy. We often use time words with it, like always, usually, often, sometimes, never, or times of day. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night.
Great! Let's build a routine. Lily, since you had such an interesting morning, what is the first thing you do on a normal day? The very, very first.
Okay. On a good day, a perfect day, the very first thing is I wake up. Simple. I wake up. Then I usually turn off my alarm clock. After that, this is important, I get up.
Ah, good distinction. Wake up is when you stop sleeping. Get up is when you leave your bed. So you can wake up at 7, but get up at 7:15, which happens to me sometimes.
Only sometimes, Max? So I wake up at 7 a.m. Then I get up at 7:10. What about you, Max? Are you a morning person?
Me? I usually wake up early. I wake up at 6:30, but I don't get up immediately. I check my phone for 5 minutes. I know, it's a bad habit.
It's a modern habit. So now we have our first actions. I wake up, I get up, and we can add the time. I wake up at 7. I get up at 7:10. Everyone, try it. Say out loud, I wake up at. Go on, just whisper it.
Perfect. Okay, we are out of bed. What's next in the morning routine?
Well, I go to the bathroom, I brush my teeth, I wash my face, then I need to get dressed. I get dressed.
Same. I brush my teeth, I take a shower, Then I get dressed. Notice we say I get dressed, not I dress. Get dressed is the phrase for putting on your clothes.
And then the most important part of my morning, food, breakfast. I have breakfast. Or you can say, I eat breakfast. What do you have for breakfast, Max?
I'm simple. I usually have coffee and toast. Sometimes, if I have time, I eat cereal. How about you?
I drink tea, not coffee, and I usually have yogurt and fruit, a banana or some berries. Delicious.
Wonderful. So let's put a morning together. Listen to this sequence. First, I wake up at 6:30. Then I brush my teeth and take a shower. After that, I get dressed. Next, I have coffee and toast for breakfast. Did you hear those sequence words? First, then, after that, next. These are gold for making your story flow.
Yes, use those words. They're like a map for your listener. Okay, breakfast is finished. Now we need to start our day. For many people, this means I go to work, or I go to school, or I start work. How do you get to work, Max?
I usually drive to work. I have a car, so I drive. But sometimes, if the weather's nice, I walk to work. Lily, you take the bus, right?
Yes, I go to work by bus, or you can say I take the bus. So I leave my house at 8:15, I go to work by bus, I start work at 9 a.m.
Perfect. And at work or school, we do many things. You can say, I work at a computer. I have meetings. I write emails. I study English. I have lunch.
Ah, lunch. I have lunch at 1 p.m. Usually I eat a sandwich at my desk. Not very exciting.
Okay, quick question for you. This is a very common mistake. Do you say, I go to my home or I go to home? Think about it. We just said I go to work, so I go to home, right? No! Wait for it.
This is important. We say I go home, no to, just I go home. It's special. You go to work, you go to school, you go to the park, but you go home. Got it? This is a great tip to sound more natural.
Great. So let's say our work or school day finishes. I finish work at 5 p.m. and then I go home. Beautiful.
Yes, now the evening routine. This is the relaxing part, hopefully. So I get home at about 5:45. First thing, I take off my shoes. Then maybe I change my clothes. I put on comfortable clothes.
Same. I get home, I change into comfortable clothes, then I need to make dinner. I cook dinner, or if I'm very tired, I order food.
Real life. So I have dinner or I eat dinner with my family or my roommate. After dinner, I clean up. I wash the dishes.
And then, free time. How do you relax, Lily? This is my favorite part of the day.
Me too. I relax. I watch TV or I watch a series on Netflix. Sometimes I read a book. Often I call my friend or I talk to my family. And you, Max?
I listen to music. I play video games sometimes, or I study, a little bit. But always before bed, I have a small routine.
The bedtime routine, very important for a good sleep. So I go to bed at 11 p.m., but before that, I brush my teeth again. Maybe I read in bed for 10 minutes. Then I turn off the light, and finally, I go to sleep.
Excellent. So we have the whole day, from I wake up to I go to sleep. Let's do a quick recap. We'll say it fast, and you try to remember the main steps.
Morning. Wake up, get up, brush teeth, get dressed, have breakfast, go to work or school.
Day. Work, study.
Evening. Finish work, go home, relax, have dinner.
Night. Relax more, brush teeth, go to bed, go to sleep.
Now for the fun part, interactive practice time. We're going to do two things. First, a mini quiz. I'll say a sentence with a mistake, and you shout the correct answer at your screen. Ready?
Number 1. I go to home at 6 p.m. What's wrong?
Yes, I go home at 6 p.m.
Number 2. I have a breakfast at 8. What's wrong?
Right, usually no A. I have breakfast at 8.
Last one. I wake up and I get up is the same. True or false?
False. Wake up equals open your eyes. Get up equals leave the bed. Great job.
Now, second part, a mini role play. Imagine you're meeting a friendly neighbor, Mr. Evans, in the elevator in the morning. He says, "Good morning. How are you?" off to work early?
What do you say? Use our phrases. I'll be Mr. Evans. Ah, good morning. You're up early.
Good morning. Yes, I usually wake up at 6. I go to work by bus.
Very good. Do you have time for breakfast?
Yes, I have coffee and toast. Then I go to work.
Well, have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
See, a simple, friendly conversation about your routine. We want you to try this. In the comments, write 3 sentences about your daily routine. For example, I wake up at 7, I have cereal for breakfast, I go to school by bike. We will read every single one and give you a thumbs up. It's great practice.
And before we finish, you stayed till the end, so here's a bonus tip. To make your routine sound even better, add usually or sometimes. It's more natural. I usually go to bed at 11, but I sometimes watch a movie and go to bed late. This is real English.
So, let's review our 5 key takeaways for today. Number 1, use the present simple, I wake up, I go, for routines.
Number 2, use sequence words. First, then, after that, next.
Number 3, remember, I go home, no to.
Number 4, learn the key phrases. I wake up, I have breakfast, I go to work, I get home, I relax, I go to bed.
And number 5, practice out loud and write in the comments. We are a community here.
You did fantastic today. Talking about your day is a huge step in your English journey. You can now share a big part of your life with new friends.
Yes, be proud of yourself. And remember, even on days when your routine is crazy and you have 2 different shoes, you can still talk about it in English now.
Next time, we're going to get to know each other even better. We'll learn how to talk about our families in English, your parents, siblings, maybe even your pets. It's going to be warm and fun.
So make sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss it. Thank you for listening, for practicing, for being awesome.
This is Max and
this is Lily.
saying keep practicing and see you next time on Mr. Englishman. Bye.